Welcome to Monkey Physics IIT JEE NEET Foundations.
Now let's start the first case 1, when object is dropped from some height. Now, so we want to study the motion of the body the moment it releases and reaches to the ground. Till it reaches to the ground, we want to analyze the complete picture of the details of the motion of the body. So let's take the situation. An object is dropped. So what is meant by dropped? Symbolically we are representing its initial velocity is 0 and reaches to the ground. Now the total height from which it is dropped is h. Let us take this. Okay. Now what is meant by understanding the motion of the body? Now you want to tell me, so initial velocity is 0, let t equivalent to 1 here, t equivalent to 2 here, t equivalent to 3 here, t equivalent to 4 seconds. So the time taken by the body to reach the ground is 4 seconds. This is what the description is. Now in this situation, what we want to know, after 1 second what is its velocity, even after 2 seconds what is its velocity, even after 3 seconds what is its velocity. So we want to know the velocity with which it hits the ground. How can we know that? We want to see. Then in 1 second how much depth it fallen, s1. In 2 seconds how much depth it fallen, s2. In 3 seconds how much depth it fallen, s3, and so on. We want to know even this also. Now this velocity the particular time. For example, it has fallen the depth s. We don't know what it is. It has fallen the depth s. Now when it has fallen the depth s, what is its velocity in terms of the displacement it has covered or the depth it has fallen. Now this is what we want to analyze. Now the first one what we are going to analyze about the velocity versus time. This is our first analysis, velocity versus time. Now take, it's a drop, initial velocity is 0. So it reaches to the ground. Now my intention is what is the velocity? First of all, write the equation for velocity. V is equivalent to u plus at. Use this formula. Now v is equivalent to initial velocity is 0 and acceleration. We all know acceleration due to gravity because we are studying about the motion under gravity itself. So v is equivalent to gt and it's a downward only. The moment when it starts moving and or it keep moving downward only. Now v is equivalent to, in general, 9.8 into t, or for simplification purpose we can take 10. Acceleration due to gravity value as 10. So this is what the equation for velocity at any time. Okay. Now based on this, now the moment when it starts, t is equivalent to 0 and here is equivalent, t equivalent to 1, t equivalent to 2, t equivalent to 3 and t equivalent to 4. Let us take. Now if t equivalent to 1, what is the velocity? It's moving down 10 meters per second. If t equivalent to 2, what is the velocity? It is moving down 20 meters per second. If t equivalent to 3, 30. If t equivalent to 4, 40 meters per second, and so on. Yeah, this is the first observation regarding the velocity. So velocity is directly proportional to time. Velocity is directly proportional to time. Okay. Yeah. Now the question number 1, if it is dropped, we are going with the example. Now here it is drop, reaching to the ground. Now what is its velocity after 5 seconds? It's drop at t equivalent to 5 seconds. What is the velocity they are asking? Now what is that? V is equivalent to, it's a 10t. So V is equivalent to 10 into 5. So V is equivalent to 50 meters per second. We can take. Now if it reaches the ground in 8 seconds, then with what velocity it hits the ground? Now by this time you come to know V is equivalent to 80 meters per second. So this is the first point regarding the velocity versus time. Yeah. And then next,